case statement where it sets our check result equal to, in this case we're going to do generic, and then we're going to break. Now since we're searching for multiple strings inside one string, we can't use the string position function, so we're going to use a different one, which is preg match, which is Perl regular expressions match. It's going to use regular expressions to search through the user agent string. And instead of typing out, because it's a list, instead of typing this out on the screencast, we're going to do the same thing we're doing with the array, and we're going to pull that from an online site. And this is going to search the user agent string, so I just put the comma. Go ahead and put your single quotes in there. That's where the list is going to go. And then it searches the user agent. Oh, and another thing I forgot is you got to put semicolons at the end of each one of your case statements. Otherwise it'll throw an error. After that, we're going to need a case statement to search our array, which we're going to put up here. And we're going to use a function called inArray for this one. Now, the array that we're going to have up here is going to be it's going to be an array of the first 4 letters of user agents. So we're going to need to chop down our user agent that we get from the header into the first 4 letters, and the way we're going to do that is with the substring function. So you type substring, and then we want to use it on the user agent, and then we're going to start at the beginning, which is 0, and then we're going to go forward 4 to grab the first 4 letters. After that, you're going to pass in the mobile device list to that inArray function so it knows where to look. If that's true, we're going to set check results equal to generic again, and then break. After we've done our generic checks, we're going to do a few backup, like catch-all checks. These checks are going to say that we don't know what the phone is, it's not on any of our lists, but because of these behaviors, or because this statement is true, we know it's a mobile phone. So this first one is we're going to check the accept header for the string WAP, which is WAP, and the string WML. If it has those in the accept header, we know it's a mobile phone. And for that, we're going to use the string position function again. Searching for WAP, making sure that that does not equal false, or string position on the accept header again, this time for WML does not equal false. End case statement. If that's true, then we're going to set our check result equal to unknown, and then break. Our final backup statement is going to be checking for the existence of a WAP profile header and an HTTP profile header. The only ways that these two things are going to exist is if it's a mobile phone. Mobile phones are the only ones that are going to give you these. So if WAP profile exists or does not equal null, or if HTTP profile does not equal null, then again we're going to set our check result equal to unknown, and then break. And after all that is done, we're going to return our check result. And that is pretty much it for the script, except for the two lists that we're missing, which are the array and the regular expressions. If you go to Google and type in mobile device detection and hit search, you're going to look for the MobiForge link, which is lightweight device detection in PHP. Click on that, and then they've got an array right here that you can use, so grab that, go back to your thing, and put it in here. There you've got your first one. Now you're still going to need the regular expressions, which grab everything inside the single quotes. Should start with the slash, end with an I. Find your regular expressions. In between the single quotes, you're going to paste that, and that I at the end is telling the regular expressions function that it's case insensitive, which is what we want. Go ahead and save that, and then as an example of how to use this script, here's a demo index.php file. You're going to include the file we just made, mobile support util, create an instance of that object. Then I usually create a variable called mobile device and set it equal to that function that we created called isMobileDevice, which is going to return false or a string. If it's not false, we know it's a mobile phone. Then I usually check with another regular expressions if it's a iPod, iPhone, Android, or Pre. It's a high-end touch device. Go ahead and send it to the high-end site, high-end mobile site. If it's not, it's a generic device. Go ahead and send it to the low site. And that is it for this screencast. So thank you for watching.